మా ప్రియమైనటువంటి ఖాతాదారులందరికీ కూడా మా నమస్కారాలు. మా సారు
in which we would like to share with you the commitment of Government of India and State Bank of India. It's my privilege to be part of this camp where we want to disseminate the information of the various schemes that Government of India is offering to each and every one of us. It is our duty that each and every member should participate in this kind of camps and should get benefited out of this. Government of India has come up with a lot of beneficiary schemes to reach every nook and corner of the country, and State Bank of India, being the pioneer bank with the legacy of around 200 years, will like to be part of the progress of this country as always. I'm sure many of you may not be able to understand English, and I don't know how to talk in Telugu, so I will request Swami to share my views to you after I speak. I firmly believe that progress of any society can only happen in long run where the idea is that the future of the people can be secured by the contribution those you are making today will get good hefty amount at the time of your retirement. But somehow, in spite of the best efforts, still there are a lot of people which are out of the net, which are not getting the benefit of these. The purpose of these camps is to educate and tell each and every one of you that what are the benefits of these schemes have and how easy it is for you to take benefit of these. So my request will be, please listen to what Swami tells and try to have your account opened and coverages done of various insurance schemes as well as the saving schemes of APY. Another critical thing is that once you get into these and you have taken this scheme or open an account, it should be properly run, because it should not happen that you open an account today and at the time of renewal or KYC updation you don't take interest, because then the whole purpose will be defeated and whatever benefit has accrued, that will not be able to pass on to you. It is in our own interest that we should keep these accounts live, working. Please route all your savings and transactions from this on day-to-day basis. Once they become part of your life, once you imbibe these in your lifestyle, I'm sure you will get all the benefits, and these are going to be the tools through which the government is passing on all the benefits to the people at large. So let's take the benefit of this. Let's try to involve everyone. Let's try to have each and every member of the community, each and every member of our family to be part of this drive where success and prosperity can reach each and every nook and corner of the country. I'm sure with the outreach programs that are being done at our level and also by different other organizations, the Government of India is going to serve you in a better fashion, and you are going to be benefited immensely from these. Our branch is here, and I'm sure the team is taking care of you all. Please let me know, or the Swami, who is the regional manager here, if you want anything else to be done at our part or anything that we can do which can make things easier for you and make these schemes more successful. We are open for suggestions and the feedback. Thank you very much.